welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. Today comparing 4K footage from the GoPro Hero 7 Black and its more recent rival, the DJI Osmo Action. The electronic stabilization was turned on in both cameras all the time. Watching both stabilizations working side by side in the various clips, I think they are pretty similar and I don't see a clear advantage for any of them. If you consider that the Osmo crops more than the GoPro to perform the stabilization, I think it is fair to say that GoPro hits more of a sweet spot than DJI. Looking at the very bright sky in these two clips, I notice a better dynamic range on the GoPro. You have more details all the time. In the Osmo Action it is more blown out at some points. The Osmo has a HDR video mode, but this unfortunately doesn't support stabilization. What about you? What do you think about the new Osmo Action? How do you see it in comparison with the GoPro Hero 7 Black?